Okay, here's our kitchen layout, the final set of plans, starting off with the pantry wall, rollouts behind each of these doors, and each door will have a horizontal rail, adjustable shelves up here, desk area with drawers left and right, and this desk space is 21 deep, and then these are 24 for the countertop to die into the side of the cabinet. Fridge space, this comes out to 29 inches. Tray divider, the hood, bottom of the hood is 72 inches, 30-inch range, drawer stack left of the range, adjustable shelves behind these two doors, microwave cabinet in the upper here with 45-degree panels for these upper cabinets to die into. Trash, standard cabinet, adjustable shelf, adjustable shelves in these. Dishwasher, drawer stack, and there'll be paneling on the back of the Peninsula and the sink cabinet. Utility room. We have our linen cabinet that's shallow to accept and leave room for the outlet. The sink cabinet, this is 41 wide, and a plastic laminate countertop. The uppers with the soffit above them. Shoe cubby, a wood top, or the top will be done by others, or we can do a laminate countertop in here. The coat hook right here. And then on this wall with the sub panel, this one's cut short to allow room. Uppers, same height as these uppers over here. It's kind of tough to see it that way. These base cabinets and the uppers, and these uppers are the same height as the cabinets across the way, even though there's no soffit here. Master bathroom, our mirror frames, sink cabinet, sink cabinet. This is the clipped cabinet. Rollouts behind this one, adjustable shelf here with the hamper pull out, and drawer stack here. And then these mirror frames are going to be staying the same color, 3-inch frame, and we will install them. Second story bathroom upstairs, slab, just like the master. So the master and this upstairs are all slab. 22 deep, adjustable shelving, and the vanity side over here. Sink cabinet with a drawer stack in the middle. Oops. And the last bit is the closet cabinet. 2 drawers painted by others with the wood top that will be painted. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.